If you're looking for the best software to streamline collaboration and scheduling for construction projects, you've probably come across Fieldwire and ConstructionOnline. Both are highly rated, but which one truly stands out for your needs? In this video, I'll break down the strengths and weaknesses of each, and by the end, you'll have a clear picture of which is best for construction collaboration and scheduling. Plus, I'll even introduce a better alternative. Stick around to see why it might just be the one you're missing. Let's start with Fieldwire. It's designed to be a powerful project management tool for construction teams, and it really shines when it comes to task management and communication. You can assign tasks, create checklists, and even track progress in real time. It's simple to use, but some users find its interface a bit basic, especially when it comes to managing more complex schedules. Next, Fieldwire allows for easy blueprint access and markups on the go, which is incredibly useful for teams working in the field. However, it's not as feature-packed for scheduling as some of the other options out there. While you can set tasks and timelines, it lacks some of the more robust project scheduling tools you'd find in other software, such as resource management and dependency tracking. Now, let's look at ConstructionOnline. This platform really excels in the scheduling department. You've got Gantt charts, calendar views, and the ability to track resources in real time. It offers a much more in-depth scheduling system than Fieldwire, which is a huge plus if you need to manage complex timelines and resources on large-scale projects. The project scheduling tools are the standout feature, making it a solid choice for teams with intricate scheduling needs. But while its scheduling is strong, ConstructionOnline isn't perfect. The user interface, for one, is a little overwhelming for new users, and the learning curve can be steep. It's packed with features, but if you're looking for something quick to set up, it might take you a while to get the hang of everything. Plus, if you need mobile access, some users have noted that it's not as seamless on mobile devices compared to Fieldwire. The third thing to consider is integrations. Both Fieldwire and ConstructionOnline offer integrations with other construction tools like Procore and Dropbox, but Fieldwire tends to integrate more easily with other field-based tools, which makes it a strong choice for teams working directly on-site. ConstructionOnline, on the other hand, integrates well with accounting and financial tools, which is a nice perk if you need to track budgets and financials within the same platform. The fourth thing to note is collaboration. Fieldwire's real-time collaboration features are great for teams in the field. You can message team members, share updates, and manage tasks quickly and efficiently. ConstructionOnline, while good for collaboration, doesn't quite match Fieldwire's speed or ease when it comes to communication. However, its scheduling tools do foster collaboration within the project management team, especially when you're managing multiple contractors or subcontractors at once. So, which one should you go with? Honestly, it depends on your needs. If you're a team working on smaller projects with a focus on task management and mobile fieldwork, Fieldwire is a solid choice. But if you're managing larger projects with a heavy focus on scheduling, resources, and overall project timelines, ConstructionOnline might be the better fit. That being said, both of these are good choices, but after testing them myself, I'd recommend a better alternative for managing construction collaboration and scheduling. If you want a solution that combines the best of both worlds, powerful scheduling, collaboration, and task management with an intuitive interface, then check out the first link in the description below. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Trust me, it's worth trying out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.